Greg News Media. I just want to give y'all a rundown of what happened in the last 3 hours since it's been pouring.
Yeah.
Guys, don't want to miss this opportunity at my latest segment. Ooh.
Oh.
I told you, bro, in town when we were headed back, these manholes were exploding.
That's crazy.
Oh,
That's
man.
How much pressure?
That's how much pressure.
Oh my God.
Jesus Christ. It's hitting really hard down here in this area. You had debris right here. This is where it actually rose up. Veronica,
Yeah.
look at the debris. Look. Everything came up.
Yeah, you can see the water level.
Yeah, see, the water level was all the way up here. It covered all of this.
Oh my God.
Woo.
I've never seen it this high.
Nope. And look. Yeah, it's coming up right here. I ain't never seen it this high before. Ain't never seen it this high. Told y'all, man. I told y'all. Manholes were blowing up.
Wait, this is the wall?
This was the, oh, snap. It caved in right there. It caved in, dude. Oh, no. Look, yeah, it was right here. It broke it off. Hey, look, I told you that manhole was exploding. Ah, I don't know what that is.
That is
That's not a manhole. I don't know what that is.
Oh my God. I've
Dang.
never seen this little creek this big.
It came all the way up here, dude. Look at the water level.
Yeah.
Look at the water level, man.
Oh my God. Yeah. Breaking up.
See, it came all the way right here. You can tell.
All the way up. Yeah, that makes sense right here.
See?
the surge came, it came over.
On that little overnight, right? On that overnight surge.
Yeah, 'cause all the debris is everywhere.
Oh my God.
It's actually on the trail that they built.
My.
What is going on? That water is rushing, bro. What busted?
Right?
So I actually live around the area where the park is. I'm giving you some video footage of what's going on right now. I can hear the water rushing by the new trail. I do want to say
Something
it's
busted,
coming
like
up.
it's leaking out.
Oh, dude, something just busted. Oh, hey, I told you. I told you in town square, the manholes were exploding. If you're coming down on Seguin, Davis Street, anywhere of those, stay off. I'm telling you, they put barricades up. They're blocking it off for a reason, guys. I live down that neighborhood. Our roads are flooded. It's all coming into the park. Just be safe out there. That's hitting pretty hard, dude. All of this is where the public library is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the public library heads up that way. All of this is flooded. I ain't never seen so many active people. Where the trail is, I'm giving you an inside look how the trail looks, guys. Water's rushing in from the KC Hall behind the trail. This is where the trail is. Yeah. Yeah. No. Oh, it's flooring in, dude. This is where the bike trail used to be. This is where the trail where you go walking. Bro, look at this, dude. You see it?
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna make it that far right there.
I'm slipping and sliding.
Yeah.
Look over there. Look over there, man.
So
Where the disc golf, everything is. The water rose up.
Oh my God.
Dang, it's coming in. It's flooring in right here. The hospital is flooded, dude.
Oh my God. And that's a newscaster.
Yeah, they need to go on. They need to go down there where I'm at. Dang.
Oh my God,
Oh,
look at that guy
damn.
walking
Oh
through
my
the
God.
water.
The car. Veronica, there's our water spot, dude. We were gonna go get water. Oh, dude,
Shit,
we
Greg,
can't.
We're gonna have to turn around and follow that.
I have nowhere to go.
I don't even know if we can even turn around right there.
I don't know.
Oh shit.
What are we supposed to do?
Oh
Veronica,
shit.
end it, end it. Veronica, end it. Bro, Pecan Street's filling up.
Are we gonna die out here, Gregory?
We're not gonna die out.
I hope not.
I hope not either.
Holy crap, look at that.
Oh,
This is our road.
God.
Gregory may have to.
Okay. Phew. Oh, dude. This is by Starkey Park, bro. This is literally by Starkey Park. Is it all in the water? Oh, dude. No way. Oh, man. We gotta get home. Oh, shit. Look at this, Veronica. They're floating right there. They're turning back around. Screw this. Look at the river. Let's go back home. I'm not. I didn't even know it was this bad. I just wanted food. Oh my! Look
Stay
at
in the middle
look
because
at,
the sides are flooded.
look at the laundromat. We live right next to the river. Bro, Pecan Street's getting flooded, bro. Like for real. Dude, look at my driveway. Our house